Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great day. Um, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my screen. All right. All right, guys. You guys should see my trading screen here. We had an update in the markets. So let's go over that. All right. Hey, Tony. Welcome, Tony. Welcome. All right. Hey, Michael. Welcome, Michael. Welcome. Hey Gary, welcome. Gary, welcome, Gary. Louis, hey Louis, welcome, Louis, welcome. Great to see you guys. All right. Let's go ahead and I want to show you guys the Dow. And I know we've been taking a look at big picture, right? So Dow is up, was up 157 points. NASDAQ was up, and Russell was up, and Gary, you're back at your normal schedule. Okay, good job. All right, glad to see you, Gary. Glad to see you here. All right, guys. Let's take a look at big picture. All right, big picture on the Dow. All right, we got you guys know we have a buy signal on the Dow. Here we are, breaking resistance. This is the all-time high. All right, all-time high. The actually we let's see here, all-time high 36,362, 36,404. So we are breaking the all-time high, guys, on the Dow. Here's the Nasdaq here. We just need a buy signal. We're breaking through resistance here. No, we're not at the all-time high on the Nasdaq. All-time high is all the way up here. We are down here, but good price action. We'll take that. The S&P buy signal again. This on the weekly time frame, guys. Buy signal here, breaking resistance, right? That's good. All-time high is a bit higher up here. All right, that's on the S&P. Russell holding. We just need to break through resistance here. All right, so good price action. Dollars making a move higher on the weekly time frame. Yen still going down. Pound yen reversed, right? Was going lower, hit support here, pull back. Buyers are coming back in. All right. So again, pound yen should move up as the equity market moves higher. All right. Or US 30 traders. US 30 traders, we do have a buy signal. We have a buy signal on the US 30 on both the dollar, I'm sorry, on both the daily time frame and on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so good trade going here. All right, buy signal was here. We were hoping that it would break resistance. All right, so entry right about here on the US 30 daily time frame looks really good, guys. All right. All right, here's your V, broke resistance, moving up nicely here. That's on the US 30, moving up nicely there. All right, so no shorts. Do not short, all right, the US 30. Do not short it. Long positions only. All right, now we have a lot of information to go through. All right, especially equity. So we'll spend some time on equities this evening. Now, if I know not all our traders trade equity. Some of you trade um, futures, forex, and equities. But even if you don't trade equities, guys, stay through the equities portion, okay? So that the same setup that we use with equities is the same setup that we will use with any of the other markets, okay? So current positions, and I want to go through these quickly. Current positions in Monster Scalper, all right? Monster Scalper, current positions, all right? Current positions. Long positions in Monster Scalper, all right? Monster Scalper, long positions. USD PLN, all right? Buy signal here. It's holding all green candles, guys. Go ahead and bring in your V's, okay? Markdown phase, buy signal, markup phase, target it all the way up here. All right, USD PLN, USD NOK. All right, markdown phase, buy signal here. We got in about right here, moving up nicely. All right, we're looking for a target all the way up here. Stay with your trades, okay, guys? USD CHF, this is a new one. All right, markdown phase. Let's bring it in. Hold on. Let me know if you guys have any questions, okay? Any questions, let me know. All right. All right. All right. So let's bring in resistance right about here. All right. Bring in your resistance lines, right? This is where the selling started. All right. Here's your markdown phase right here. And here's your markup phase right here. Buy signal target right here. All right. Stay with the trades. That's USD CHF. This is a new one we sent out last night. USD DKK. All right. USD DKK. All right. Come on now. What's this? All right. Hold on. Hold on, guys. What's going on here? Hold on. Let me bring in a new chart. Hold on. All right. All right. Hold on. Hold on. Come on. What is, hold on. All right, let's bring in a new chart, guys. Paste. All right, sorry about this. All right. All right, almost there. Hold on. I hope I don't have to close down TradeStation. Hold on. All right, I think we've got it here. Okay, so USD CHF. Hold on. All right, USD CHF buy signal is here. Let's bring in our trend lines. All right, so resistance is here. Trend line. Right here. And this is your V here. Okay. All right. So buy signal is here. Just hold on to that trade. That's dollar Swiss, dollar CNH. All right. Same thing, guys. All right. Now it's working. Okay. All right. All right. So here's your trend line, markdown phase. All right. Bring in your lines. This will help you stay in the trades. All right. Here's your high. This is where the selling started. Buy signal right here. All green candles. Stay in the trade. Okay. All right. Now, at some point, you'll know how to find these. All right. You don't need to bring in your lines, but right. In the meantime, do it this way. Okay. All right. So here's where sellers started selling. All right. Markdown phase. And I'll do it just for a few of these. All right. Markdown. Right. That's your selling here. And then here is your, all right, markup. Buy signal here, all green candles. Here is your target right here. All right. So these are the pairs that we've got. So we're long the dollar, shorting the yen. All right. So let's take a look at the yen pairs. Now, those yen pairs had really good shorts. I know they bounced today. So let's take a look at those. Okay. All right. NZD-JPY. NZD-JPY, sell short signal is here. Here is your target. Now, we talked about this last night. If you guys wanted to just take some profits, right, you could do that. All right. White candles here. Now, we have a red candle coming back down. Okay. If you wanted to, you could just be out of this trade. All right. You could be out of it. All right. Get out on a smaller time frame. Red candles here, right? But I wouldn't go short here. All right. If you're in it, you stayed short, that's fine. If you wanted to get in, you can do it on a smaller time frame. All right. NZD JPY. NZD JPY. All right. HKD JPY. Sell short signal was here. Here was that move down. We talked about go ahead and just close in some trades. All right. Positions. Green candle here. Close the trade. HKD JPY, close that trade. That's short in Monster Scalper, HKD JPY. All right. SGD JPY. All right. Same thing here. Sell short signal is here. All right. If you wanted to, you could have closed the trade down here. Great shorts, guys. If you're still in, boy, right? Red candle, right? If you're still in, you could get a move lower down. But I think this trade is over. You might get some consolidation in here and then uh, create accumulation and then move higher. But for right now, sellers are coming back in. That's good if you're still in it, but just be careful. That trade is over. Pound yen, that's over. All right. Sell short signal is here. This was the move, right? Broke support right here. This was the move. This was your target. Green candles, close that trade. So pound yen, close that trade. Pound yen short in Monster Scalper, close that trade. All right. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Same thing. Here was your target right here. Right. Keep an eye on these targets, guys. Sell short signal was here. Right. Lots of pips. All right. Almost what's that? 300 pips. All right. 300 pips. So go ahead. If you did not get out here, still might have a chance. Red candles coming in here. All right. So keep an eye on that. You might have an opportunity, all right, to for the price to move lower. Okay. If you wanted to catch this move, there's a good chance it could move lower, right? I wouldn't trade it on here on the 240. If you didn't get in here, you can use a smaller time frame. Okay. Pound dollar. Pound dollar. Sell short signal is here. Red candles. First target here, second target here. All right, that's pound dollar. Pound SGD, green candles came in here, closed the trade. All right, so pound SGD, closed that trade in Forex Dominator. Pound SGD. Pound HKD, All right, that's holding, still holding it short. All right, let's bring your trend line. Hold on. All right, here's your downward trend line right here. Support is right about here. So here is your target right here. All right, here's your markup phase, markdown phase, red candle. Just let it do its thing. All right, pound HKD. Now we have some euro pairs, euro HKD. All right, look at this trade here, guys. All right, here's your markup phase, markdown, sell short signal right here. All right, that's moving down nicely. Nothing to do. No white candles, no green candles, no buy to cover signals. Just let it come down. This is your target here. Guys, if it come down to this area here, you might just want to take profits. All right, we have a lot of support down here also. Okay, so but right here, first target, just close the trade, take your profits. Okay, EUR HKD, good trade going here. Remember, bring in your lines, right? This will help you stay in the trade. EUR TRY, all right? Same thing here. That closed. Sell short signal here. Hit resistance right here. Close the trade. All right. Red candle, sell short signal, white arrow, red arrow, white arrow, buy to cover, close that trade. So EUR TRY, close that trade there. EUR TRY, close that trade. Okay. Now we're gonna go through this quickly. We need to make up for some time here. So Forex dominator. Forex dominator now. Okay. Long positions in Forex dominator. Hold on, let me fix this. All right. On the daily time frame. All right. Aussie CAD buy signal is here. It's holding support. White candle here, but for now it's fine. We need buyers to come back in, recapture that trend line here. That's Aussie CAD, pound CAD. All right, pound CAD buy signal is here. Guys, we're gonna close this one. Okay. Here is resistance here. Right here, it's holding support. Buy signal is here. We don't want red candles to come in. All right, this is where it came in before. Good chance sellers could come back in, move that price all the way down here. So we're going to close that trade. So pound CAD, close that trade. All right, pound CAD, close that trade. All right, pound CAD, close the trade. All right, New Zealand CAD. All right, New Zealand CAD buy signal is here. So far, it's holding, right? Holding support right here, guys. All green candles. Buy signal is here. It's still in profit. Keep an eye on it. If a white candle come in, you might want to close it. It's holding though. If you guys can see it right here, holding green candles right there. That's New Zealand CAD. EURTRY, still holding between support and resistance. Buy signal here. We need the price, though, to move higher, break resistance, continue to move higher. Hopefully, we get another trade like this. EUR, TRY, nothing to do there. All right, those are the longs in Forex Dominator. All right, let's take a look at the shorts. We do have a few shorts in Forex Dominator. And then we'll take a look at equities. EURSEK. All right. Good short going, guys. Sell short signal is here. Target is here. All right. If you want to take profits, you can certainly do that. All right. Support is right here. We're not too far from support. Okay. If it reaches support here, definitely close the trade. A lot of consolidation in here, even in here. All right. So good short trade going here. This is for about almost 300 pips. Okay, so good short going there. That's EURSEK. EURCZK, sell short signal is here. white candles here. We still have a purple support and resistance. That's good. We need it to come down though. So hopefully we can get some sellers to come in and push that price lower, right? The good news here, we have really strong resistance, guys. Really good, strong resistance. This is where the last sell short signal came in, right here. Very similar to here. All right. So we'll leave it for now. We need sellers to come back in, push that price lower, hopefully to the target down here. So that's EUR CZK. All right. CAD yen. CAD yen. Um, Sell short signal is here. All red candles holding here. We do have support here. The critical thing with this trade, guys, it came down and hit support already. All right. We do have red candles here. All right. Near that sell short signal, we need that price to come back down, and break this support here and move lower. Good news, really strong resistance up here. So there's a good chance sellers will push it down. All right. But keep an eye on it. All right. That's CAD yen. Dollar yen holding firm so far. All right. Here's your resistance up here. Sell short signal. Red candles. Sellers are coming in. It did make a move all the way down here. We need sellers to come in, push that price here lower to this first target here. All right. If you get it to this first target, just take profits. All right. Just take profit. If it gets down here, then we got really lucky. But over right here is fine. HKD JPY, same thing. All right. Good resistance up here. Sell short signal. All right. We need sellers to stay in. Red candles. All right. Get to at least support down here, and then you could take profits. Okay. If it gets down here, then keep in mind these yen pairs will follow the equity markets. So as the equity markets move higher, these yen pairs will move higher. So be careful of that. Okay, just be careful. All right, watch them closely. Okay, all right. Equities. So you guys know we've been trading equities, right? We've been following equities for a few months now, about 3 months. We've had buy signals on the equity markets. So the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. So all those indexes have been giving buy signals. Let's take a quick look here. So here's the Dow, guys. We have a buy signal on the Dow. All right, look at the Dow. Right, great buy signal. Look at that price action on the Dow, guys. Great price action. Your best trade right now is in equities, right? No surprise. We've been talking about this. Been talking about the Christmas rally, and we are right in that Christmas rally. Okay, buy signal here on the S&P. Nice price action, breaking resistance right here. Absolutely great price action on the equities. And again, the Dow is right making all-time highs right now. All right. NASDAQ, same thing, guys. NASDAQ, all right. Buy signal here, getting ready to break resistance on the daily time frame. And even on the Russell, getting in on that really good price action. All right, here's the Russell here, buy signal right here. On the Russell, guys, we have some resistance right here. And we'll go through the stocks in a minute. All right, so resistance right here. Here we are getting ready to break the resistance high up here. All right, we'll move it up here. All right, good target right here on the Russell. But all 4 indexes have buy signal. VIX, right? Low volatility, right? Really low volatility, guys. Below 20, 1263 on the VIX. That's really good. Anything under 20 is good on the VIX. All right. All the sectors are up except for energy. All right. Energy keeps moving lower. You guys should notice a good discount at the gas station. Okay. So that's good news. The dollar right now is consolidating. Okay, it's up but consolidating right here. White candles right here. Keep that in mind as we go through some of these sectors. The best sector right now, right? Let's see here. Technology, right? We've been trading. Look at technology. Big move today, guys, in technology. And then consumer, what is it? Consumer communication services. All right, buy signal here. I want to take a quick look at some of the other financial. Is looking good. Home builders. All right, real estate, basic materials. All of these sectors, consumer discretionary, have buy signals. So we might look to add, if we've got time, biotech, even biotech, guys, finally making a move higher. Energy here, moving down, right? Stay away from energy. Gold, moving down, not much there. Comserve, all right. Healthcare. Healthcare is part of biotech. Let's take a look here. All right. So let's go right to our trades. Okay. Lots of good opportunities in equities. All right. So first, let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in stock boss. Okay. Current positions in stock boss. We'll go through these quickly. All right. As always, if we get a white candle, guys, white candle, we'll stop. All right. We'll take a look at it. Make sure things are holding properly. All right. With a white candle. Red candle, close the trade. So red candle, close the trade. White candle, we'll stop. Take a look at it. A white arrow like here, all right, will close the trade. Okay, so let's go through this quickly. All right, AVRS, nice markdown phase. Buy signal is right here, all green candles, nothing to do there. Okay, AMSC, right, nice buy signal, nothing to do. Let's bring this in here. Hold on. Let's bring in at least a trend line here. All right. We don't really have a target. All right. Buy signal here. If we were to put a target, we could put it up here on this one up here. Right. Let's say right above, right about here. All right. AMSC. All right. All right. ANGI. All right. That's moving up nicely. All green candles, nothing to do. All right, AUR, look at AUR, guys. Nice markdown phase, buy signal here. Look at that, heading towards that target there at resistance. Pay close attention to it. As it gets to that resistance, don't be quick to sell, okay? AVPT, right, that's holding nicely. Recovered with a green candle. That's good today. All right, BKKT, that's holding. All right, CLBT, that's holding, breaking resistance there. All right, CLSK, broke resistance, gap up, all green candles. All right, holding nicely there. CLVT, all right, good markdown phase, buy signal, moving up higher. Here is your trend line here, bringing your trend line. All right, right here, target right up here. All right, D, all right. Good trade going here. Good markdown phase. All that selling has been exhausted. All right. Markdown phase. Accumulation. Buy signal here. That price is moving right along that trend line. That's what we want. Target all the way up there. Okay. DDD. All right. DH. Good markdown phase. Look at this markdown phase, guys. Really good markdown phase. Okay. Right here. Nice markdown phase. Here's our V. All right, here is our V. All right, buy signal, all green candles. We need it to continue to move slowly higher, okay? Give them a chance to move higher. Do not mess with the trades. Don't mess them up, right? Give them time to move, especially with equities, okay? Follow the same process when you look at the other markets, okay? Even with the futures, okay? INDI, nice markdown phase. Buy signal is here. Green candles, we are moving higher. Okay, we are moving higher. All right. Here is your V right here. Boom, boom. Buy signal, let it move higher. Target is right here. INDI. Okay. IREV. I'm sorry. IREN. Good markdown phase. Buy signal. Target up here. All right. MGNI. Nice markdown phase. Buy signal. Target all the way up here. All right. Let him run. All right. MVIS, white candle here, guys. Let's take a quick look. Let's go to the weekly. See what's going on. Red candle here on the weekly. That's not good. All right. Sellers are coming in here on the weekly. We have support here. If it breaks that support, guys, it could go much lower. All right. So we're going to close that trade. MVIS. Okay. So bring it back daily time frame, close that trade. All right. MVIS. All right. Close the trade. And that's in Stock Boss. MVIS. Stock Boss, close the trade. MVTS. MVTS. Good trade going here. Look here. Good markdown phase. This is where the selling started. All right. And here is your V here. All right. See what we're doing. All right. Here is your V here. All right. Here's your buy signal by the system. Green candles. We need to follow that price all the way back up here. All right. And then hopefully it breaks through that resistance. NVTS. That looks good. All right. OUST. Buy signal here. This is a little tricky. All right. This one here. All right. We just needed to break through resistance right up here. Good markdown phase. All right. Good markdown phase here. All right. We have resistance, buy signal. All right. Here is your trend line here. I know it takes a little time to get to do this, but guess what? Right? It really helps. So buy signal here needs to walk up this trend line and then break through resistance. Just remember, sellers are sitting here, guys. All right. So be aware where sellers are. All right. So if you start to get resistance here, white candles in this area, just close the trade. Okay. We don't want this to happen. All right. So just keep that in mind. PRCH, great move here. All right. Buy signal here, broke resistance, great trade going here. All right. Pay attention as they get to resistance. Don't close them. Just see how they react to resistance. All right, because sometimes we can get buyers to come in a big way, just like this big candle here, guys. Big candle here. Push that price higher. Next target all the way up here. Great trade going. This one buy signal was at 98 cents. If it gets to that target, that's almost $3. All right, so almost $3-4. So good trade, several 100% profit if you could make it all the way up here. Even right here is about 100% profit already on the trade. All right. Let's see. QS. Hey, Solomon, welcome. QS. All right. Markdown phase right here. All right. Like I said, bring in your lines, markdown phase, form that V. All right. All right. Form that V right here. All right. Now we're tracking a lot of these stocks. You guys will not trade all of these stocks. You'll trade a few. So it shouldn't be difficult to bring in your lines. All right. Bring in your lines. Nice markdown phase, buy signal, right? All green candles here. We need that price to get back up. Just remember, sellers are sitting here. We need to walk that price all the way up, give it time, and then break through that resistance. Okay. Try not to look at your P&L. All right. SMRT, white candle here. Let's take a quick look at the weekly. So that's the daily. Take a look at the weekly. White candle here. on the weekly. Tough resistance here, failing to break through resistance. All right, support down here. It's in a narrow range. All right, so here, and then support is here. So it's trading within a narrow range. All right, so it might stay in this area for a while, move that capital, right? So close that trade. All right, so on the daily time frame, close that trade. Buy signal was here, so you would have broke even, taken a small loss or small profit. SMRT, close that trade in Stock Boss. SMRT, close that trade. And we're almost done with Stock Boss, okay? All right. All right, UIS, guys. Great trade going here. UIS, buy signal here, right? We've been walking this one up, all the way up. Here is resistance here. All right, good chance we could break through that resistance. Next area of resistance is right up here, guys. Right up here. Right up here. You see that resistance here, and then over here. So right now we're right here, right? Let it break through that resistance, hopefully, and then next target here. UIS. WISH, that's still holding down here. WULF, let's bring in our trend line right here. Markdown phase right here. All right. Buy signal, right? Let it walk up, make its move all the way up. All right. If it fails, no big deal, guys. Close it. All right. AIV, nice markdown phase. Look at this one here. Great V here. All right. Buy signal moving up nicely. All right. All right. As long as the equity markets hold, we could see it move higher. All right. BDN, buy signal here. Testing resistance here. Look at that. Near that resistance. Right. Hopefully it'll break out. Next target all the way up there. Let's go ahead and bring that in. All right, so always look above to see where your targets are, where resistance sellers are sitting, okay? All right, BDN, all right? BIG, that's holding right here, still early. EGH, EGHT, good markdown phase. All right, nice buy signal. Look at that price action heading towards that target there, that resistance right up here. Buy signal here, just let it go, okay? Target is right here. Next target over here, if it can get past that area there, okay? EGHT. GDR. All right, white candle. Let's take a quick look here on the weekly. All right, tight consolidation. Let's close this here. Trading between a tight support and resistance. Resistance here, support is here. So it's not breaking out. Let's close this, okay? All right, trading within a tight consolidation here. GDRX, close the trade. All right. All right. All right, HPP. All right, this one broke resistance right here, guys. Buy signal here. Here's our target, okay? Let's bring the trend line. I'm spending time bringing in these trend lines because I want you guys to do this, okay? Bring in your lines. This will help you stay in the trades, okay? HPP, buy signal here, moving up nicely. HUYA, all right? Buy signal here, holding. Resistance is right here, okay? Or we'll call this a high right here, okay? All right. ILPT, ILPT, all right, markdown phase, all right, markup phase. Here we are. All right, buy signal here, getting near that resistance there. All right, if we break through, guys, we have all of this area here, right, where the price could move higher. All right, look at that. Look how, I mean, from here to here, that's a decent move. That's up 1 point. But boy, if we can break through that resistance right here, we could go much higher. Okay, ILPT. All right, LUMN, white candle. Let's take a look. All right. Weekly time frame, red candles, close the trade. Okay. Sellers are definitely in control on the weekly. Okay. So let's close that trade. All right. LUMN in stock boss. All right. All right. MCW, good markdown phase. Look here. Guys, even if, we might not get a chance to go through, find new opportunities, that's fine. I just want to make sure that we manage these positions the right way. Okay. We can always find more opportunities. All right. Just make sure we know to manage these trades. Nice markdown phase here. And here's your V. All right. Buy signal. All right. That buy signal came in at 634, guys. It's at 790.97. All right. All the way up here. That's $10. I know it doesn't sound like a lot. All right. But for equities, it's a big deal. All right. And you can use that process even with futures and with Forex. We want all our traders using this process. Okay. Good V here. All right. All right, good V here. And thank Zaire for this. Okay, I've heard from several of you guys that you're able to follow these trades, all right, much better now. All right. I'm sorry, DNLS, a good markdown phase here. Look at this markdown phase. All right, all that selling has been exhausted. You do this will really help your trading. All right. So here's your markdown phase right here. All right. Here is your V. All right. Buy signal, right? Buy signal here, all green candles. Here's your target all the way up here. IND, IDLS. Okay. All right. I was afraid of this one here, right? It finally broke previous resistance, becomes support. NEGG, white candle. Let's take a look at it here. We talked about this one. Looked like it was short sellers were short in this one. All right, let's take a look at the weekly. All right, nothing happening here, guys. Nothing happening. Failing to break resistance here. Caught between support and resistance. All right, close this trade. So NEGG, close the trade. All right, close the trade. No big deal, right? Right, probably small loss, little profit, broke even, no big deal. Close the trade. Okay. All right. NEGG. Okay. All right. OPEN, good trade going here, guys, with open. OPEN, good markdown phase, buy signal. All right. We need that price action to continue to walk up that trend line and break through that resistance. And we do have more resistance above, but good trade going here. Okay. All right. OPI, all right. Buy signal here. Target is here. All right. Same thing, QRTEA, buy signal here. Let's bring in that trend line. Help us stay with the trade. A lot of potential with this trade if we can break through that resistance, next target all the way up there. Okay. All right. TV, same thing. You will notice that most of these trades, if not a majority of them, right, have the same setup. All right. Here's your markdown phase. And you guys know about the markdown, markup, but doing this will help frame it. All right, keep you in the trade. Buy signal here, right? Just it's holding. All right, BBD, buy signal here, markdown phase. Here is your markup. Bring in your trend line. Here we are, moving up to that resistance here. All right. All right, BRCC. All right, buy signal here. All right, holding. Right, markdown phase here. If it breaks through that resistance, we have another resistance higher. We would like this to break resistance, guys. That's the goal, right? Break through that resistance, next target up here. STKL, all right, nice markdown phase. Let's bring that in. All right, markdown phase here. All right, hold on. All right, there's your V. All right, buy signal, just hold it. All right, hold it. All right. GPRO, nice markdown phase, markup, buy signal. Here's your first target. If you get breakthrough here, second target up there. Okay. But still follow your signals, still follow your candles. All right. Those are just targets. Okay. AMBP, AMBP. All right, nice markdown. Well, very choppy in here, but still have a markdown phase, right? Fell from all the way up here, all the way down here. And here we are. All right. Buy signal is here and it keeps moving higher. All right. All right. You could have bought here, added some more here. If it breaks this resistance, add some more, keep moving that price higher. Okay. All right. DNN, buy signal is here. That's holding. And BND, another good one here. Now, this looks very easy. And the reason why is because we have the market on our side, guys. All right. So the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell all have buy signals. The sector also have buy signals. Okay. Good markdown phase. And here is our markup. All right. Here is our markup phase right here. All right. Buy signal moving up nicely. Here is resistance here. Just remember, sellers are sitting here. Right? Here's where they knock that price lower, and here and here. So if that price gets to that area, just pay close attention to it. Okay, pay close attention. Hopefully, it breaks through. All right, and then buyers is still in control. Okay, so great trade going here. All right, great trade going there. All right, all right. Let's take a look at Bull Master, and then we'll be done. Okay. I will go through these after the class. If we find any, if we find new opportunities, we'll send those out to our stock boss traders. All right, bull master traders, also Forex. All right, but I want to spend some time, guys, going through. We can send picks out all day long, but if we're not setting these trades up properly, right? If we're not staying in the trades, it doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. All right, so it's important to do this. ANN, good markdown phase, right? Markup, buy signal, right? Nice price action. Here is our target. Just let it run. Do not interfere with the trades. Don't mess them up. Okay. AMBA. All right. Good markdown phase. All right. Here is your V. All right. Buy signal. Let it move higher. Get to that resistance. Okay. All right. All right. AMD. Same thing here. Now we want to go through all of Bullmaster. Right. I'll get you guys out of here on right close to the time. All right, here is your V. All right, this one here, the good example. We see sellers are here, but guess what, guys? It's breaking resistance. Nice big candle. Look at that. Nice big candle here, breaking resistance. That's what we want. All right, right. Especially markets still holding strong. All right, breaking resistance, and we have another resistance level all the way up here. All right, so let's go ahead and bring that in. And if it breaks that resistance level, we can look further back for even, right, another resistance. Okay. So we could keep moving that price. All right. So nice break of resistance, right? Getting past sellers here. That's great. Okay. AMD. All right. BRZE. That's holding. It's a different type of trade there. That's holding. All right. BYON. Nice markdown phase. So let's bring it in. Those of you that we do coaching, ongoing coaching, right? When we look at your charts, guys, we'll start watching your trades, looking out for these. Okay, so practice these. Okay. All right. Good markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal right here, all green candles. Pay attention to purpose support, but it's all green candles. We want it to walk all the way back up to test that resistance. BYON. All right. CAMT, all we need here is to break through resistance right about here. Here's our buy signal here, right? Trading up nicely. We need to break through resistance. Support is right here to manage the trade. Okay, so support and resistance, right? Green candles here, looking to break through, buy signal here. So good trade going there. Okay. Just a few more. CERT, a good markdown phase. Now, I know a lot of times you guys are like, David, I can't find these in Forex. Well, if we look hard enough, we can find these, okay? And on any time frame. CERT, good markdown phase, buy signal, breaking resistance. Look at that price action, target up here. All right, CERT. All right, CRDO, buy signal here. This is support and resistance. Support down here, right? We're looking for it to break resistance. There, keep an eye on it. Okay. CVNA. It's 8 o'clock. We'll do a couple more and then we'll be done. All right, here it is. Here is your V. Start looking for those. All right. Buy signal, just let it move. The cool thing about this, guys, is that it allows you to be patient, right? Right? You're not getting carried away with your emotions, okay? All right. Another one here. This will be the last one here. All right. So, good example here. Bring in your resistance, your high. Right here. This is where sellers started, all right, to push that price lower. This is where it started here. That's your markdown phase. All right, here it is right here. And here's your markup. All right, here's your markup phase. All right, buy signal. All right, target all the way up here. All right, so good trades going. We have a ton more, guys. We'll look to add tomorrow. All right, we'll look to add tomorrow. I wanted to spend some time. All right, and the next few weeks, right? Right, going into the new year, we're going to spend some time. This is your best trade setup. All right, and we always have new traders coming in. Right, what's cool about this, right? As a new trader, right, you can find these opportunities, right? And what I love about this is that this will allow you to stay in the trade. All right, stay in the trade. Even this one here, markup phase right here, markup phase right here. All right, markup, right? This one gap down, closed here, mark down, another buy signal here. Potentially, we'll look for it to get all the way up here. It's pretty strong resistance here. All right, guys. Hope this helped. All right, let me know that you're using this. All right. So as you guys are using, let me know. Let me know of your success stories that you're using this. All right. We have different traders, and you use different types of trading. I know we all look at support and resistance differently, follow the four market phases differently, but try doing this way. This is Zaire's idea. All right. And it's been working for him. And Zaire's been trading a long time with us. And this has really just framing it, finding those V's, all right, has really helped for him. So I want you guys to try it. Okay. Gary, you haven't been on here for a while, so I don't know if you know about this. All right. So I want you to try this. Okay, buddy. All right. This will help you. All right, guys. Take care. Lewis, you too, buddy. You too. All right. Take care, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.